This is a 1.3 million euro hypercar, and it's just so insane to sit here. It's absolutely unusual. Just listen to that sound already. This is mental. What a sound this already is, oh my goodness. I have never experienced such a sound, even in GT3s or Ferraris. This is absolutely insane. The Porsche 918 Spyder is part of the Trinity with the LaFerrari and the McLaren P1, and it's the cheapest one out of them all, and it's also the most common one.